know it. Let's play some toys. Let's go fishing.
Alright, we got a different fishing game. This is probably one of our first videos we did was the other fishing game. This one we got to draw cards and we're looking for the color tails. And the name of the game is 5 Little Fish. There's a little bit more to it, but I didn't want to make it too difficult for Nora, so we're just going to keep it basic. But if you want to get this game at Walmart, I think it's like 15 bucks. There's all kinds of different things you can do with the grumpy frog, rainbow fish, and all that stuff. But being that she's not understanding all that, we're not going to make it too difficult. We're just going to look for color tails. We got to figure out which one we think the color is. If you get it right, you get to keep it. And whoever has the most fish wins. So we're going to let Nora go first. And we don't have all the cards. We just got the basic colored ones. Go ahead and pick one. And she's going to look for the yellow tail on the fish.
What is it?
And you got to, if you get it wrong, you got to memorize, okay, that one's yellow, and then I'll get it next time. No, you use your fishing pole. Bend it like this, and then go in. There you go. Purple. That is not correct, but hey, memorize. Okay, that one's purple. So if you pull a purple card, you know where it's at. So Daddy's looking for the red fish tail. Let's go with this one. Yellow.
I want to look for the red one.
You gotta pick whatever comes to you. I don't know. Pick a card.
I want the red one.
No, you gotta pick whatever comes to you. Blue. Looking for the blue.
Is this blue?
Maybe.
You did!
You got it!
Oh!
Good job. That's your fish.
Yeah.
Nora got the blue fish.
Alright.
Daddy's looking for the green tail. Alright, so I think it might be this one. Is it green? Yeah! Daddy's got a green fish. Alright, pick a card.
Purple.
Purple.
Ooh, which one was purple?
That one's yellow.
Push it back in. It's kind of out of the frame.
Alright, Daddy's looking for the yellow. Do we have yellow yet? Do you have what, blue? Okay. So we're looking for the yellow. And I'm gonna go with this one. Ooh, it's red.
I want the red.
Let's see what you get
Alright,
next.
Nora's turn.
Red, did that one? Good memory.
You got it!
Alright, so we've got the red, we've got the blue, and the green done. So there's 2 ones left.
Alright. Dad's turn.
Going with the purple. I think it's this one. Yeah, alright. Well,
Nora.
Nora's looking for the yellow. I wonder where it's at. Nora wins the game. So that's a simple little game. It's like,
I got some.
oh, I think
I
it was
want to
14
do
bucks
Hold
at
on
Walmart.
camera so they can see the tail colors. It's hard to see it. Lift one up.
Lift one up. So what color is that?
Yellow.
All right, pick up another one.
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
How many do you have?
What color? How many do you have? And I
1, 2, 3.
3. And how many does Daddy have?
1, 2.
What colors does Daddy have?
Green and purple.
Purple.
Now let's do it again.
Hey, do you want to open up your surprise eggs real quick?
Yeah. Let's open surprise egg.
The LOL surprise little sisters.
I want this one first.
We pre-opened them so that way.
I want
Yeah,
this
they're all
one,
on
this
wrappers. They got all kinds of trash in them. So everybody, what you got?
I got this one. You?
What is that? A shoe?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shoe.
Keep going.
What's that? Magnifying glass?
Yeah, there's a coded message.
We'll look at that here in a second. Is that a baby?
Yeah, I got
Baby.
ducky. Look, I got ducky in it.
Ooh,
What's
show
the baby?
camera
Show the camera.
Oh, she's pretty.
Now
What else is in there?
people.
What else?
No,
Anything
there's
else?
more.
Anything else in that one?
On the other side of her leg. Look down. Move that white paper.
Move that white paper. Right there. That thing.
Keychain.
There's the other
Shoe.
other shoe. Alright, let's open up the other one. what's in there.
Another coded message reader. Little bad.
Another baby.
This baby. She's got pretty hair. Show the camera. Turn it towards the
Okay.
Let's see it.
See, you got blue and pink hair.
Fingers.
Bring it closer. Come here. Let Daddy see it. So there's the LOL surprise. Got pink and blue hair and a yellow diaper.
There's
Nora.
little shoes to go with it. You want
Another keychain.
Alright, show the two little babies. They're gonna be sisters. Baby
Two little babies. So yeah, that's the LOL ones. You get them at Walmart. They come in a little egg and look like this. It's got the LOL surprise on it, little sisters. They're about $6, $7 for one of them, so they're not cheap, but she seems to just enjoy opening up eggs. So that's it for today's video. Nora, you want to say bye to everybody? Hey, you want to show everybody your house you got today too? Nora got herself a little dollhouse. It's a 3-story mansion type dollhouse at Walmart for $19.97. She'll be showing that in the video coming up, playing with that. So stay tuned for another video from Nora. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Thanks for watching our channel today, Toy Time with Nora. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you love watching Nora open up toys and play with toys. There's a lot more content to come, and we thank you very, very much for watching and showing support to Nora. So say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.